In this video, we're going to be talking about how to become Instacart Shopper. So let's just get straight into the video. So in order to go ahead and become an Instacart Shopper, what you need to do is first you must be 18 years old, authorized to work in the country, and have a consistent, reliable vehicle and be able to lift around 30 to 40 pounds. Now, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply head into shoppers.instacart.com, just like that. And once you do that, you're going to be on this page where you want to simply go ahead and sign up for this account. And once you've signed up for the shopper.instacart.com or account by entering your legal document like your citizenship, your SSN number, and so on, you can actually go ahead and create your account and then simply go ahead and then download the application called Instacart Shopper. So it's right over here on your App Store. And when you simply go ahead and download the Instacart Shopper, you can simply go ahead and get all the orders and slide to accept just like that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment.